Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come here in the Joyram Bati. You can see the people are enjoying over here. I have come up with a new video. Go and watch our video. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Here is our Rath Yatra paper cutting craft part 2. In our part 1 video, we have learned drawing and cutting the paper and pasting. But in this video, we are going to learn the circle making for wheel, and also we are going to design with the sketch pens. So you need to watch our part 1 video, then you see the part 2 video first. So let's start. So here is our green color. I have taken a green color. You can take any color that you like. You don't have to go as same combination that I have to do. You can do your own combination also. So here we will make a circle. So how I am making the circle, I can see. First I have drawn a circle, exactly where I am going to do the circle. I have drawn that. Now I will cut this rectangle shapes from out of my paper, and I know the size I need. So for this reason I have to make first square shapes. Go and watch our basic shapes making for paper cutting, then you can understand. First, for making a circle you need to make a square shapes. So I need to make 2 circles. So for this reason I have to make 2 square, but also should be in same size, because we need to make a same size of circle. So you can see that I have made my circle, and both in quite same in size. So this tiny squares will help me to make a circles. So you need to fold it first in horizontally, then in vertically. Now you have understood how I fold the paper. Now you have to cut the round shape out of it. Yes. So you can see, if you open it, this is the ready. Okay. But same size we have to make one more. So fold in the same way, first horizontally, then vertically, then place it so that you can make a same size. So draw a line with the pencil so that you can get the same size of circles for making a wheels of our Rath. So cut it. Now look. Okay. So you have to paste it. But if you see that your circle is not looking perfect, okay, then you need to fold again, and where you find the mistake you can make it correct the same way. You can see I am showing so that you can understand each and everything. Till it is not looking perfect, you can see the corner is looking down little bit, so you have to, it should not be down, so you have to cut it, so perfectly that it doesn't look like that. So but it is not look like a circle, you can see. So you have to understand where is the mistake. So you can see the mistake is in the corner. You can see the corner. So this portion is looking bigger. So if I cut it from that area, then it will be looking like a shape of a circle. So this way you can correct. So it was looking now perfect. Okay. Now we are going to paste this. Both same in size also. So you have learned how to make. It was little bit bigger in size, so I have put together and cut it so that it size gets same, remains same. Now paste it here. One more, paste it here. Yes. while you are pasting, be very careful that it should be symmetric, means while you are pasting, see the exactly place where you are pasting, that it looks fine, perfect, that you have to be careful. It should not be pasted one is up, one is down, one is extreme right, one is extreme left, not like that, exactly same in size. So here our Rath coloring paper pasting is ready. So now we are ready with your set of sketch pen, and erase the pencil line that you're planning you did. It may happen some pencil lines they are visible, so you have to remove it with your eraser. But while you are removing, be very careful, don't be hurry. Better you use here the A4 origami paper, means Fabriano sheets or A4 paper. This is a paper, and if you are using marble paper you can use, but that paper is reflecting, light is reflected. The yellow paper you can see, that is marble papers. So it is very difficult while you are pasting marble paper, color is reflected, so it doesn't look good that much. So better is Fabriano paper. Now use your black sketch pen for some border. So here this tiny area is very difficult to paste the paper, so we are drawing it. You can see we left the spaces, so here you can use scale also, or if you are confident you can use your without scale also you can do. So here I didn't use a scale. If you wish we can use scale also. Now according to your choice you can turn the paper. I feel comfortable in that way to draw a line, so I am drawing this line. Now we have to draw different color sketch pen we have to take. So now it is black sketch pen only. So this arch shapes, again another arch in both the corner. If you feel it is difficult to do, so both the line you can draw first, both sides line you can draw, then the spaces are left on the corner, just you can do like this. Or if you feel it is still difficult, you can make simple round. Now with the black sketch pen only I am drawing the stick both the sides, so that it looks interesting, it looks more realistic, and you can use scale also. So I am doing directly with the sketch pen, but if you are not feeling confident, then you can draw first with the pencil, then you can use your scale and sketch pen. Look very carefully, don't draw this sticks at the end of the roof. Little bit you have to space the lead, very little bit you can see. Don't touch it with your yellow paper, pink paper, don't touch it with that. And now this is the flag. I'm showing that flag is blowing. Now you can see looks so beautiful. Now if you find to make it more beautiful, so you can draw some more outline, like different sketch pen you can take. So here I choose this orange color. So I'm not going to fill my sticks with the color, but just give stroke with color. because I don't want to do the overwork. You can see how beautiful it is looking, so I don't want to do overwork. Now this is purple color, just simple shapes I am doing. You can see that is looking very beautiful. This is the half circle. Now taking green color, you can take whatever color you like. I am, according to my paper, I am choosing the color so that it looks good with that. But basically this color looks nice, yellow, pink, red, blue, this type of color. Dark blue, black, this color doesn't look good. This is for the bordering is fine. Here I am taking again the black color, so it should be look like a wheel. So I'm drawing a circle inside the. Now draw a vertical line, a sleeping line. Now two more line. You can see it looks like a wheel. Now inside is very important. If you want to more work, this much if you can do, that is also appreciated. If you want to work more, so here just I am taking green color, I am giving it double line. So here is this much for
So
our part 1 video. I am coming with a
it
part
looks
2
more
video
nice.
where I will show you the
Blue
wheel
color,
making
it is not
and
looking
the
that much.
designing with our sketch pen. Now is your turn. You should start making.
So instead of
If you like the
using
video,
any
please
other colors,
subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell,
Now
like,
look,
comment
this
and
type of
share
shape
and
I
subscribe.
have drawn.
Thank you for
I
watching.
have practiced it so that I don't do the mistake. You can take a coin. My coin is nicely fitted in the door, so it was fine. Now the coin will be smaller. This is the 5 rupee coin. So first I took a 10 rupees coin, and here I am taking the same 5 rupee coin. This is the 1 rupees coin. This is same size, same in size, 5 and 1. Little bit might be smaller. So now you can see how I'm drawing. We can see the Jagannath face. Now we're doing like a petal, like a flower. Same thing here also, same type of drawing. There is a 3 god, looks same, so I have made it a 3 floored. This place is very small. Little bit hints is clear that we are drawing the Rath, where inside there is a god. So this much is done. Now it is your turn. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.